What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Highstreet, which has pumped up over 15% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $1.44. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it, is it too late, or is it time to sell it if you're on a profit, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Highstreet go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and we do have Highstreet as the top gainer in the last 24 hours, according to Coinbase and according to Binance as well, which is pretty good. Zooming into the hourly chart, we can see it has pumped up over a percentage in the last hour itself. Over the last day, 16%. Over the week, 13%. Has been quite volatile, with major drop here on Tuesday, the 8th of August, which was about 4 days ago, and pumped up again earlier this morning. And over the month, there's an overall 28% up. So overall, it has been quite volatile. It has been up and down all over the place, but it has been moving towards the positive direction, which is all that matters. So far, so good from Highstreet. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 600%, making it $42 million in trading, which is a huge increase, guys. Again, only reason for that is there's been a lot more people looking into the project, as it is one of the top gainers. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is one of the top gainers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Highstreet, which is here in purple at $1.24. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at $1.44, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, unfortunately we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Highstreet over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Highstreet to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Nothing major. It's not going to go for a major drop or a major crash, nothing like that, but an overall minimal decrease in value is what I'm expecting. And also, doesn't mean that it's going to start crashing from this point onwards. Of course not. It is likely to hit green candles up and down in between, up quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. What I'm expecting is for it to drop down to about $1.35, is somewhere around there is where I'm expecting Highstreet to be trading at. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do still got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from Highstreet over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should expect Highstreet to be more or less trading around $1.30 is what I'm expecting. So more drops are expected over the coming days, but once again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to hit green days and red days, but at this point the red days are likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Highstreet, and potentially dropping down to $1.30 or just below there is what I'm expecting Highstreet to be trading at by the end of next week. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Finally, we're looking quite bullish, quite positive, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line going in a positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Highstreet over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So late September, early October 2023, I'm expecting Highstreet to be more or less trading around the $3 mark is what I'm expecting. Yes, it may seem like a crazy increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we manage to give it approximately 2 months, I'm pretty sure we should be able to head up to around the $3 mark. Again, this depends on how the crypto market performs, but I'm expecting more green days from the crypto market, or more green weeks even, for the rest of the year potentially from the crypto market, which also includes Bitcoin. I'm expecting it to head over $35,000 over the next 2 to 3 months, meaning this should have a positive impact on the crypto market, which also includes Highstreet as well. But obviously, if there are any major changes, such as a major update or a news that come across that can have a major impact on the crypto market, either in a bullish or bearish direction, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far, so good for Highstreet over the long term. But for the short term, as predicted, guys, make sure you have your risk management on point, because I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way for us to hit the green. Sorry, we are in the red zone at the moment and got quite a long way to head into the green zone. We need to hit about $14.76, which I'm not expecting anytime soon from Highstreet, not for the next 12 to 18 months at least. So yeah, we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, we should be good to go. So yeah, red zone it is for most of this year and most of next year as well. But again, hopefully we can head up to the green zone over the next 2 to 3 years. But yeah, these are my take and my prediction on Highstreet. Guys, comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2023? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below your end of year prediction on Highstreet, either how high or how low this crypto can go. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.